extremely satisfied. Firstly, the price is amazing. Getting a Wakayama pass in addition to the Kansai-wide area pass for the same price is a great deal. Secondly, the experience was excellent. I chose the Taiji Whale Museum, including admission and the dolphin feeding program, plus the sightseeing boat from Kikatsura Port to Taiji, catching the 8:30 departure, arriving in Taiji just in time for the first dolphin show, then watching the 10:30 whale show, followed by a paid dolphin interaction program, and catching the 11:30 return to Kikatsura. The timing was perfect, plus a free meal at Kikatsura Port, a set meal, served quickly, sufficient, and tasty. Finally, there's a wide range of choices, with various dining and entertainment options available in Kikatsura, Wakayama, Shirahama, and other locations. Highly recommended. Buy a Kansai Metropolitan Junior Pass for 5 consecutive days on Klook and find that it comes with an SM Network card or a Wakayama Enjoy Pass, Wakayama 1-week free pass. My mobile phone cannot use SM, so I naturally choose the Wakayama Enjoy Pass. After carefully reading the usage rules, I found that this coupon is quite powerful. You can choose any 3 of more than a dozen Wakayama dining or experience activities. Just show the same QR code for verification every time you experience it. 3 usage records. 1. Shirahama, Kaizhong Observation Deck, original price is 800, the seawater is turbid today, discount is 500. 2. Hainan, discount at the specialty store inside the station is 1003. Wakayama, Kishu soy sauce ramen plus dumplings, should be worth 1000. A must-have pass for Wakayama. Enjoy ramen, Adventure World, and Kamiidera Temple. Choose any 3 attractions and create your own itinerary based on your schedule. It's fantastic. This tour pass is very worthwhile. Taking Hello Kitty Haruka and going to Makaroniwa Onsen is worth the money. It is very convenient to use, just use the QR code to exchange the ticket. The Wakayama Enjoy Pass is very useful. It can be exchanged for the black tuna set meal and the famous Wakayama ramen. It's a pity that the stay is not long enough, otherwise it can be used more. The experience was very good, the weather was very comfortable that day, and the transportation around was very convenient without much difficulty. I hope to go to Wakayama again. It's a good experience.